Whenever we continue to do a behavior that we say that we don't want to do, it's for two reasons. Number one, a subconscious core commitment that we have that we don't realize that we have that's actually taking precedence over what it is that we say we want to be committed to. And the second thing is that we perceive ourselves to be in a lose-lose situation, meaning that we don't see any way out of negative consequences. So the first thing that we have to do is take a real objective look at our lives. Based on the choices and actions that we take on a day-to-day basis, what is it that we're actually committed to? Is it comfort, safety, escapism? And then we have to look at what parts of us see us taking this action towards what we want to consciously be committed to as a futile effort or something that's only going to bring us more pain than choosing to stay where we are. So essentially, what is it that you're afraid to feel if you step into the thing that you actually want to be committed to? Another way of saying this is, what do you subconsciously believe would be the negative consequences for doing whatever it is that you say you want to do? So much of life is about choosing our consequences because oftentimes there are negative consequences to any choice that we make. It's just about what consequences are we willing to accept. And that feeling of being in a lose-lose is actually our greatest opportunity for expansion, because what it does is it shows you what do you actually value and prioritize. Our core values don't have to directly oppose one another just because they're opposite. So there's commitments that we made out of survival, and there's commitments that we're looking to make out of true self-love.